In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step approach on how to tackle any Anago Praise medley. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get all the latest updates that will be posted on this channel. Don't also forget to like the video in the end and also share with your friends to also learn the exciting lessons that will be posted here. If you want any private lesson, click the link in the description. It will take you straight to my WhatsApp and we'll talk about the deal. Without much ado, let's dig into the lesson.
Look, see what the Lord has done. Everybody, look, see what the Lord has done. Look, see what the Lord has done. Everybody, look, see what the Lord has done. Everybody, look, see what the Lord has done. Everybody, look, see what the Lord has done. He turned my life around. He make my life better. He turned my life around. He make my life better. He turned my life around. He make my life better. He turned my life around. He make my life better. Everybody, look, see what the Lord has done. Everybody, look, see what the Lord has done. Everybody testify. You are good. You are good, Jehovah. You are good. Everybody testifies. You are good. You are good, Jehovah. You are good. Everybody testify. You are good. You are good, Jehovah. You are good. Everybody testifies. You are good. You are good, Jehovah. You are good.
So this type of praise is normally played on the neck, okay, or on the fretboard, even though the tempo is very fast, okay. Unlike any other praise that we normally play on the bridge pickup or anywhere around the bridge pickup to get the speed, okay. This is very fast, but because of how percussive this style of praise is, we normally play on the fretboard or closer to the neck, okay. You normally play here. You pluck here instead of plucking here to get that percussive tone, okay. So I'll give you this step-by-step approach on how to tackle this type of praise, okay. So the key is F sharp, okay. Do re mi fa ti do, okay. So it was played on the 9th fret of the A string, okay, 9th fret of the A string. Now praises are normally played on the high end of the fretboard instead of the low ends, okay. This is the low ends, okay, where we have all the big frets, okay. We normally play on the high end here to get that percussive tone and then to be able to groove very fast, because when we play here we are normally limited to speed, unless maybe we are playing an intro or we are just playing very limited bass lines, okay. So we normally play on the high end of the fretboard, okay. So this is the key, F sharp, okay. So I started by playing an intro, which you can use as an intro in any praise, okay. So started by playing, this is do, okay, this is F sharp, so this is re, that's the second note. On top of re, that's the second note, is la, okay. So la, in front of la is so, then fa. So started by playing la, fa, so. Because of how this type of praises, you have to be grooving, you don't have to rest, okay. So when I played la, fa, so, I play, okay, la, fa, so. This is so. So this is its octave. Okay. So, and this is re. Okay, so la, fa, so. Okay, so la, fa, so, re, so. Then again la, fa, so, re, so. Then this time round played la, the la was played 3 times, la, fa, so. Then again, then la, fa, so, la, ti, do. Okay, so la, fa, so. Then so la, fa, so. La, fa, so. Then so, la, ti, do. Okay, so, la, ti, do. Then started everybody look, see what the Lord has done for me. Okay, so let's look at the bass line of the first song. Everybody look, see what the Lord has done for me. So started, the progression is do, fa, so, fa, do, fa, so, fa, so. This is how I created the bass line. You can use this bass line in 2 ways. Okay, you can use it in any Makosa praise. Okay, you can use it in any Makosa praise. I played, the keyboardists and the other band members can just be grooving do, fa, so, fa. You as the bass player, you have to be grooving with the drummer. Now, as I told you, this type of praise is played in a percussive manner. I started by playing this way. Okay, do, mi, do. This is do, the octave. So do, mi, do, fa, so, re, so, do, fa, so, do, mi, so, do, mi, do, fa, so, re, so, do, fa, so. Okay, to get that percussive tone. Secondly, I played another bass line, which you can also use in any Makosa praise other than this style of praise. Okay, so I played do, mi, sorry, do, mi, fa, la, I played do, mi, fa, la, so, re. Okay, do, mi, fa, la, so, re. So, fa, so, do, mi, fa, la, so, re. So, fa, so, so, fa, so, do, mi, fa, la, so, re. So, fa, so. So these are the first 2 bass lines in the song. Okay, moving to the second song. I told you don't have to stop the bass line. So the first bass line, it's like a Nigerian style of praise, Ariaria. Yes, Ariaria or something. Yeah, so this is another style of praise called Ariaria. So what the Nigerians call it. Okay, in Ghana here it's called Anago. Okay, so that's it. Now in the second song, everybody testifies you are good. Okay, so with that one, I have to play it this way. Everybody testifies you are good. So I played everybody. Okay, Okay, everybody. So this is the progression. Everybody testifies you are good as far. Jehovah, you are good. Everybody testify you are good. Jehovah, you are good. Okay, everybody testifies fun. So me so okay, everybody testifies you are good. Jehovah, or yes, everybody testifies fine. Jehovah, yada me la re. So then, okay, but I threw away most of the notes. Then I started with the re instead of fa. Instead of playing fa, you can play re. Okay, that's the second note. So instead of starting with the fa, I started. Then going to the mi. So on the fa and the so, between the fa and the so, I stood by la re re. La re re la 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 re re la re re la 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 re re. So la re re. Then I did a hammer on to the re here. That's do re. So la re re la la la. La re la 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 do re la re. Then I went to mi. The same technique and the same bass pattern. So on the mi, I played ti mi 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 ti mi 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 ti mi 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 ti ti ti. Then re mi ti mi. Then I came to re again. Everybody testifies you. Jehovah. Then do. Okay. Then we played a point. Everybody testify. Everybody testify. Pa 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 pa. So that one, fa 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 so la Jehovah. Okay, it's very simple. Stick with the bass line, don't stop the groove. Okay, another approach is you can just be playing or applying your triad here. So you can just be playing on the way. Okay, or so la re la re then la 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 fa 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 la la, because the triad of re is what? Re fa la. So la re la la la. So on the mi, the same thing, you apply the triad of mi. So then that will be. Then on the do, so do so mi mi, so mi mi, so do so mi mi, so. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's very simple. You can apply this bass line in any of the notes, whether you are playing fa. So when I'm playing fa, can play do fa fa fa. So the same thing. This is my so, this is my fa. So will be re so, then re so, re, fa so. Okay, it's as simple as that. So this ends our lesson today. Be doing this with any type of or any style of Anago style or Ariaria praise, and you are good to go. Okay, you can equally be applying this bass line in any typical 4/4 tempo praise medley, depending on how you understand the tempo or depending on how you read the time signature. Okay, bass lines are universal. Okay, so we end the lesson here. Kindly subscribe and then like the video and give me a comment if you like the video.